Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage sound of completed washing cycle in washing machine Siemens iSensoric. So in the first step, turn on your device and switch the control knob to the first program. Then hold the spinning button and switch to the second program, the control knob. Now we are in the settings menu. If you want to manage the signal of the end of your cycle, leave the control knob on the second position, and now you can manage the volume by these buttons. 0, that means the signal of the completed cycle is turned off. If you want to increase or decrease the volume, use the buttons to manage the volume of the signal. To apply the settings, just turn off your device. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.